Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying what is broken and when the problem happens. Note if the app freezes, crashes, or shows error codes. Check your Word version such as Word 2016, 2019, or Microsoft 365. Restart the laptop, and then open Word again to see if the issue clears within 15 minutes. Reproduce the error and write down the exact message text. Try launching Word in safe mode by holding Control while opening the app. Safe mode can bypass add-ins and temporary problems. Open Windows settings and navigate to apps to find Microsoft Office. Choose Modify and select Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if the issue persists. Confirm whether your Office installation is 64-bit or 32-bit in Account About Word. Install pending Office updates from Account Update options to apply fixes and security patches. Open Word, go to File Options Add-ins, and disable suspicious COM add-ins. Restart Word after disabling add-ins to check whether the program now starts cleanly. If repairs fail, back up your documents to OneDrive or an external drive first. Export custom templates and copy normal. .m to preserve settings and macros. Uninstall Office through Windows settings, then reboot the laptop to clear locked files. Reinstall Microsoft 365 or Office 2019 from your Microsoft account and sign in with your license. After reinstalling, open Word and check Auto Recover locations for unsaved documents. Use File Info Manage Document, recover unsaved documents to restore any lost work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.